The next one I'm going to talk about is scoop. Why am I talking about scoop neck where we have the square neck? It's because they are the same. The only difference is that there is a curved side here, and we are going to be using our curved ruler for that side. There will be a little curve here, just like you did the allowance and you did the shoulder tightening. You're going to do it for the scoop neck. The same process of square neck is the same process for scoop. The only difference there is that you're curving this side out. You'll find not too curvy, but so when you're cutting it, you're going to have something like this. Don't forget the allowance. So I'm just imagining like 1 centimeter allowance. Yeah, and we have our scoop neckline this way. It still looks like the normal 4-corner, but because of the curve there, it is called scoop. So let's imagine that we still maintained our square neckline. This is what we have for the square neckline after the